Planning to discover nice without being weighed down by your luggage? Radical Storage provides a fast and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city's attractions. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Nice using Radical Storage, a trusted platform offering secure, insured options for your belongings. Radical Storage partners with local businesses, such as hotels, cafes, and shops, ensuring that your luggage is well protected while you explore. It's important to use the official Radical Storage website for your booking. Avoid phishing sites by clicking the safe link provided in this description. Once on the Radical Storage site, simply type NICE into the search bar to find a list of available storage locations across the city. Select a location that best suits your plans, whether it's near key tourist attractions, public transport, or downtown Nice. Then, choose your preferred drop-off and pick-up times before proceeding to payment. Radical Storage guarantees that your online transactions are secure, allowing you to book with confidence. After completing your booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to your selected storage point. When you arrive, show your reference number to the staff, and they'll securely store your luggage. That's all there is to it. Now you can explore Nice with peace of mind, knowing your belongings are safely stored with Radical Storage. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.